Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got something different again for you. This is a old box from Revell, and what it was the collector showcases. Little plastic bottom with clear cover went on, and you protect your model cars with them. This one came out in 1994, and it was $5.50 at the time. I don't remember what store it was from, but that's not what's in this box. This box has a 72 V8 Vega and a trailer project. Now I put this thing in here, I'm sure it was 1994 when I put it in here, and that's the last time I've seen it. So we're going to open it up here on the channel and see what's in there. I kind of remember it. Oh yeah, look at that. Nothing but a mess in there. Let's see what we got, guys. Looks like it comes out this way. Oh boy. Oh, she's a winner. Alright, box is empty. These things make great storage boxes for all your old builds and projects. Look at this stuff. We got a, I think it's a 72 Vega. Has opening hatch. That's kind of cool. This one's in desperate need of a restoration. Definitely peel off this paint. I don't even know what it looks like. It was painted with a crayon. Let's see here. Does the interior come out? Let's see. Yep, I'll slide that out. Oh, ain't she a beaut? Look at there. Well, there's the old Vega. Hopefully there's a grill in there somewhere. That'd probably be the hardest part to find. I don't see a hood. It looks like bumpers are missing. Here's the chassis. Oh, that's just rough looking. Yep. I think these are the parts. Yep, these. I even got it labeled 72 Vega. And inside we've got an engine. Looks like a big block V8. Some tires. Two of those. These look like the fronts. Yep. A couple of spare wheels there. Maybe different options. I don't remember where I was heading with this project. Here's the top of the engine. That'll go on something like that. And some miscellaneous parts, and no grill, unfortunately. Alright, we'll just slide all that over. Let's see what other goodies are in the bag here. I'm going to point that down a little bit. So that was for that. And this was for a trailer kit, I guess I was going to make. Got all kinds of wheels and miscellaneous things there. I have no idea what that is. Oh, that's a bed. Look at there. This is a sleeper cab bunk. This one like that. I think this was the top. Yeah, that was a sleeper for back of a semi. I don't remember which semi, but I think I was planning on using that on the trailer. This was going to be the bed of the trailer. Just some sheet styrene, and maybe for a ramp, I guess. Yeah, that was going to be the ramp. All right. This little tube here will be for the axle. This is a little toolbox, I guess we're going to put on the end of it. Here's an axle. And a front end to make another axle, I guess. Here's another option for an axle. I guess I just threw all them in there to have some ideas. I don't know what these are for. I don't remember what my original thought was. Here's some trailer tires. Ooh, white wall trailer tires. These are going to be slick with the less than desirable tread pattern on them. There's no name brand on them. Alright. Here's a leaf spring. Little fuel tank. Trailer hitch. I guess that would hook in there. The trailer hitch is what we're going to use to pull it. Here's a like a ladder bar, little fire extinguisher, which really should go into the Vega section, and then a couple little grills. Don't know, those are just there for accent, I guess. So that's that one, guys. There's another project that's been set aside for many years. 30 years, 94, right? Yeah, 30 years this has been a project. And I'm just now getting around to it, so eventually I get around to these things, right? So yeah, I think I'm going to dip all this stuff and get this paint removed, and hopefully I can get these windows out without too much damage. Pretty neat little hinge system they got there with the glass incorporated into the hinge system. Looks like it's broke on the left there. But yep, get working on that and see how things progress along the way. Be sure to tune in for the next video on this one to catch you up on the updates and see how things are going. So alrighty, folks, appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. Please be sure to like and comment and subscribe and share and everything to help grow the channel. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.